Hey everybody, this is the sun. I'm giving a tour of my garage. This is the outside. Looks pretty good, good roof. Private sign. Warning, if you can read this, you are in range. To keep the intruders away. American flag, plastic up on the window. Now we're walking in. I got that new shop light up there. It's not new, but I didn't know it worked. You can see the Ranger flag and my two scooters. Bunch of bikes in the corner. The lawnmower. Got my Kansas flag and the Don't Tread on Me flag hanging up. More American flag stuff in the window. Bunch of bikes. Crappy, cheap looking walls. Got the Ranger flag up. Ranger. Mess with the best, die like the rest. Bunch of crap on a table. It's a little bench. Oil cans and signs and stuff. Two scooters here. The cool looking one here is mine, and that one was my brother's, the regular looking one. Now we're walking in. This is the area that I watch movies in. It's kind of dark in here. Got a big TV with movies. Punching bag over here. Weight equipment. Can't really see in there. It's not enough lighting. Okay, well, this has been a tour of my garage. And this is a shout out to those jealous motherfuckers, Sock Puppet Guy and Jerry. Those jealous fucking bastards. Jealous of everything I have. They can go rot in hell for all I care. This is the sun and I'm out.